Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Google Drive store subscription on iPhone. First, it's important to know one thing. If you subscribe to Google Drive storage on your iPhone, the payment is usually managed through your Apple ID, not directly in the Google Drive app. For that, open the Setting app on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top of the screen. This opens your Apple ID setting. Tap subscription. Here you will see a list of all active and expired subscription linked to your Apple ID. Find and tap Google Drive, Google One or Google Storage. Tap cancel subscription. Confirm the subscription cancellation when asked. That's it. Your Google Drive storage subscription is now cancelled. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.